Once upon a time, in a quiet little pond, a mother duck's eggs began to hatch. Cute little ducklings popped out except for one, who looked different. The poor duckling was teased and shunned. Feeling lonely, it ran away. Through summer and winter, the duckling struggled alone, longing for a home. Then one day it saw beautiful swans. As it bent down to drink water, it had grown into a magnificent swan. No longer ugly but beautiful. It had always been special. You just needed time to see it. Don't worry if you feel different. One day you'll realize how special you truly are.